Hey everybody, if you're in the phone flipping business or if you buy and resell electronics like iPhones, iPads, Samsung, or Google devices, pay attention to this video. I'm going to do a full review on the brand new wholesale trading platform, TradeInTech.com. I'm going to go through every little section for you and talk to you about everything that has been released and what this company has done. Now, here's a little trick, guys, and a little thing on the back end. Again, my name is Hayden Howard. I'm actually the owner of Trade in Tech too. So I'm going to give you a bunch of insight here. I can tell you we've just started about 6 weeks ago. We've had over 2,000 people sign up, and every single one of the members that signs up must be verified as well. So we have hundreds and hundreds of applications going through every single day of members that are going to be verified on our platform. I want to take the time right now to show you our platform and everything that we have to offer. So you can go to TradeInTech.com and sign up at any time. We do charge a $1 fee for the first 30 days, and then we charge $59 a month after that. It's cheap enough to the point where you can get one customer and it'll pay for the entire year's worth of your subscription. So what I want to do here is go through this platform. When you sign up, you're going to land on this page to start, and this is our newsfeed page. Now, this is very much like a social network where you'll be able to go through here and you can see all the people that are posting. And guys, we have everything. This person has iPhone 7s. This person has iPhone 11s as well. This person does marketing for cell phone and electronics companies to get them more customers. This person has 7 pluses, 11 A plus as well, and you can go through here and see more and more. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of members on here constantly posting with updates. So this is the newsfeed page, really easy to get started. A couple features as well on the top here is we give away a dealers list every single month. So you get 75 plus verified dealers every month, and this includes their name, their company name, their phone number, email address, website, and social media accounts. So you can contact them, and you can see everybody else here who's posting all the time to selling their products and services and offering different things. So if you want to dive in here, get started on some more things. One more thing I want to show you too is we actually have the contest here. So the most active members of every month get promoted and get a video created on them, which we've done on this channel already, and you can go look at other ones too. It's really cool. So if you're the most active member on here, we'll publish you in front of over 40,000 people that follow us on all different platforms. It's extremely powerful and will get you a ton of business. Now, you can go to the member section. You can see all the members here. You just go to the search bar and you can go through and see every single person that's included. There's hundreds and hundreds of people, and you can add them and message them directly. You can also go on every single one of their profiles and you can see everything that's being listed. So this is our profile and the things that we've published. You can see the pages we've liked. You can see as well all the listings that we have, the blog articles that we've written, and I'll show you guys all this as well. So you can build out your own profile just like this and set it up, and people can go on here, they can like your stuff, they can see all your updates, everything like that. We also have the directory here, so you can click on the directory and you can see everybody else who's in the industry who's doing business. Cybertron Electronics was actually one of our featured members last month. They won the contest, and so as you can see, they're very active. They have great stock on here, great profile as well. So I'll actually leave them a rating because I love doing business with them. So you guys can as well create your own directory and connect with all of these businesses here. And so you can click here and you can see all the other types of service providers that are and the services that they offer as well. So we are growing very quickly. You're going to see a lot of these features expanding. One of the big features here too is groups. Now this is very much like Facebook groups where you can open these up and you can connect. This person, Chris, talks about how to market for resellers and businesses that buy and sell electronics. He specializes in Facebook ads too, so if you need to reach out to him, this is the guy to talk to, and he'll give you updates and content. You can see in his group of all the time of him publishing different types of videos related to this industry to help you guys out. So you can go out there too and create your own groups and really engage with a lot of people. We also have events too. So a lot of events, if you're brand new in the industry, you might not know about these types of events. So Barcelona Mobile World Congress is huge, one of the biggest events ever. We have Prepaid Wireless Expo too, and then we have the Hong Kong Electronics Fair. And there's a lot more that we add on here too. These are the big ones that are coming up. There's also CES, which is huge, and CTIA, and those are all consumer electronics shows that will be highlighted here when they start as well. On top of that as well, we release all our blog articles here. So we have a lot of very informative blog articles to help you out. You can go through just how to start your own business, how Feldon grew his business to $100,000 a month. That was a really popular subject as well. And then just going through here, how to buy wholesale electronics. You'll find some very great information. They're all pretty short reads, just, 5 or 10 minutes at most. They'll be very beneficial to you. Now, one of the biggest features of all is the live chat rooms. Now, I am on WhatsApp and I'm in hundreds of groups and it's very unorganized. So what we've actually done is we've created groups here and organized every single person here and the type of product. So you can see this is Apple products. People are only promoting iPhones, right now mainly, as well as Apple Watches and other things. You can go into cameras too, and you can see the cameras that people are promoting too. You can go into brand new stock, see anything that will be promoted there. Computers, all these things as well. So you can see the computers here that are listed. This is very beneficial, and as we grow, this will get very active and get very competitive because of how many people can join this. WhatsApp is limited to 257 people per group. We can have unlimited in ours. So when you're adding hundreds and thousands of members in this platform, you will really be able to have some activity and be able to sort through all the different types of devices that are available. On top of that as well, we have a marketplace. This is a huge feature. You guys can buy and sell on this platform and we don't charge you any fees. You can click on all these people and you can see how they can buy it right now through PayPal, or you can just contact them directly and do a wholesale deal. And you don't have to worry because every single one of these people are verified. You must provide 2 references and have proof of activity in the industry in order to get access. If you aren't in the industry, if you're brand new, I'm sorry, but you probably will not be approved. And so you have to be somebody in this industry in order to have access to this, so you guys can know that this is very good quality product that's available from people who are verified. You can also go to the free training here. We provide free training. You're going to see updates from us almost every single week on all different types of things here. So how to buy wholesale electronics, how to do phone flipping in bulk. We talked about Feldon, how he did $100K a month. And then we go on to talk about like how to hire employees and marketing and all these other things that are really going to help your business. Things people don't talk about as much. It's going to be beneficial to you. And one of the biggest things that our members love, if you can't justify paying $59 a month for this, we'll pay you $75 for every single person you sign up. So it's as easy as this. You can click the Get 75. You can go to your links here. I suggest copying this homepage link just like that, and you'll be able to track every single thing. You can see how many links and how many people have signed up for this, and you'll get paid out this, and you can get payment via PayPal by just requesting it right here. So other than that, guys, this is Trade In Tech, the simple laid out wholesale platform. Every single person is verified. You can see your new friend requests here. You can message people directly on here as well, and you'll get your notifications and update all your information directly here. And remember, guys, it's just to justify that $59. We give you 75 leads every single month, guaranteed. You're paying less than $1 a lead. If you go anywhere else like Facebook, Google, any of that, you're going to pay $2, $3, $4, or even $10 to $15 per lead. It's way cheaper and can really help you grow your business consistently month after month. And on top of that as well, the most active members will be promoted to us will be promoted above everybody else on for our contest. So we host our contest right now, and we will promote you on YouTube. We'll promote you on Facebook throughout our groups and on the platform as well. So guys, this is the brand new Trade In Tech platform. You can go over to tradeintech.com, fill out this simple information. We will require $1 payment to get started, and then it's $59 per month. You can cancel at any time. In order to get access to everything, you must provide the references that we'll request through email as well. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be able to help you out. Again, my name is Hayden. I'm the owner of tradeintech.com, and my goal is to help you grow your business and make you as much money as possible in the industry while being successful and having a reliable, respectable business as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned a little bit about this review. This is tradeintech.com. Again, go ahead and click the link below to get started, and I'll talk to you guys later.